Hello, in this video we will program a universal remote key produced by İSTANBUL electronic ANAHTAR for an Opel Corsa F 2022 model vehicle. This is the vehicle's original working key. And this is the universal remote key that we are going to program. First we need to produce the universal remote key. We place the universal remote key into the Zed-FULL plus antenna and enter the key section. Then we go into the IEA key section and access the IEA key production section. From the brand options, we select Opel. From the model options, we select Corsa, and in the key type section, we click on the option with remote ID 4A433. Then we press the continue button. The file is written into the key by Zed-FULL Plus in accordance with the brand, model, and remote type information, and the key is produced. The writing process is successful. After the writing process, the key is automatically read by Zed-FULL Plus. Now, to program the universal remote key we have produced, we enter the OBD applications. From here, we select Standard OBD and then find and choose the vehicle's brand from the next page. Opel, then sequentially from the options, select Corsa F and 2022. From the Operations section, we proceed by selecting pin code spare key. We turn on the ignition with the vehicle's original working key and press the connect button. We read the warning messages that appear and confirm them. We had turned on the ignition with the working key, now we press the next button. In a very short time, we extracted the vehicle's PIN code. After extracting the PIN code, we go to Key Programming section. We enter the Key Programming section and press the Connect button. We turn off the ignition, then turn it back on and press the next button. The connection with the vehicle is established and the Zed-FULL Plus displays all the detailed information about the vehicle on the screen. This screen passes automatically. Here a question appears asking if the vehicle is proximity, meaning whether it is a keyless, hands-free start model. Since this vehicle has a standard mechanical key, we press the No button. Additionally, if the vehicle has a working key, you must definitely start the programming process with the working key. Otherwise, if you start the programming process with a key that is not programmed to the vehicle, the car may become blocked and the hazard lights may keep flashing continuously. To unblock the system, you may need to wait for 30 minutes with the ignition turned off. We turn on the ignition with the working key and press the next button. The key programming process is performed by erasing all keys. Don't forget to program all the keys you want to be able to start the vehicle one after another. We enter the total number of keys we will program to the vehicle. We enter 2 and press the OK button. We remove the key from the ignition and press the next button. We need to turn on the ignition within 15 seconds. We turn on the ignition with the original working key. The vehicle detected the key and the key has been programmed. We turn off the ignition, remove the key, and press the next button. Now we turn on the ignition with the second key and this key has also been programmed to the vehicle. The key programming process is now complete. Now we see a warning on the screen. If the key remote function does not work, you need to follow the instructions on the screen in order to activate it. The process is very simple. First, remove the key from the ignition and wait for 1 minute. Then insert the key into the ignition and turn it on. While the ignition is on, within 10 seconds, press the lock button and hold it down for 5 seconds. Then turn off the ignition and remove the key. That's all to do. In this way, you will have activated the remote control function. Finally, we try to start our vehicle by inserting the IEA universal remote key that we have programmed to the car. Yes, as you can see, our vehicle has started. Now we are testing the remote control function of our key. Now remote locks and unlocks the car doors. Thank you for watching. See you in our next videos.